Welcome back. Well, today we are not going to do a review by a person. We are going to do a review by a cat. Now, Sage, this is our reviewer for today. Sage is going to review two types of treats. We have Coshida treats from Lidl, and we have Bella's Yummy Pockets treats from Aldi. So let's see which one of those two that Sage here likes. Now she's dying to get hold of them, or one of them anyway. So we're going to keep it the same. We're going to keep the Yummies on the left and the Coshida on the right. I've got the Coshida in my right hand. I'm going to put them down first. Couple of little crumbs left. Now I'm going to give her the Yummies. Well, there's the verdict, isn't it? She'll eat anything. And she loves them both. So there you go. They're both the same price from both of the two companies mentioned. And the cat will eat them both. Yeah, thumbs up to them both. Well done.